Patel, and today's topic is base condition and stack overflow recursion in Java. Recursion is composing computing steps by using the output one step as the input of the next one, starting with the first. Recursion is the same operation but starting with the last step. In this case, we have to delay evaluation until we encounter a base condition corresponding to the first step of recursion. Let's say we have only two instructions in our programming language: incrementation, adding one to a value, and decrementation, subtracting one from a value. Let's implement addition by composing these instructions. In our computer memory, stack size is limited and usually very smaller than heap size. If program uses a more memory space than the stack size, then the stack overflow will occur and can result in program crash. If function recursively call itself infinite times, then the stack is unable to storage large number of local variables used by every function call and will result in overflow of stack. There are cases where we prefer to use recursive functions such as a sort or three operations. However, if the recursive function goes too deep, an unwanted result might occur, such as stack overflow. Many professional developers probably already know how to replace recursive functions to avoid stack overflow problems in advance by replacing with iterative function or using stack and while loop. Now we are going to explain the solution. When a method is called, Java suspects what it's currently doing and pushes the environment on the stack to make place for the call method execution. When this method returns, Java pops and resume program execution. If we call one method after the other, the stack will always hold at least one of these methods calls environment. But methods are not only composed by calling them one after the other. Methods call methods. If method 1 calls method 2 as part of its implementation, Java again suspends method 1 execution, pushes and the current environment on the stack, and stacks executing method 1. When method 2 returns, Java pops the last pushed environment from the stack and resume execution of method 1 in our case. When method 1 completes, Java pops again from the stack and resume what it was doing before calling this method. Thank you so much.